Hey guys, welcome back again. This is MJ. Today I'm going to show you some important keyboard shortcut key of MS Excel. This key will work all the version of Excel like 2003, 7, 10, 13 and even 16. So let's start, and you can observe my keystroke here in this box, so you will get the right key. So let's start. So if you want to calculate or sum this column, so just keep the cursor in the blank column and press Alt is equal to or plus like this. I press enter, that's it. Here you can see the total. So Alt is equal to press enter to calculate or sum the entire column and row. Okay, so next is how to make alignment. Yeah, it's an important thing. If you want to make any alignment here, for example right, left or center, just press hold the Alt and press H and leave both key and press AL. It's left now. For right alignment, again hold the Alt key and press H and leave the both key and press AR. It's right alignment now. For center alignment, just hold the Alt key and press H and now press AC. That's it. It's center now. So I hope here you can observe the keys. Okay. The next is how to insert column and row. Yeah, it's easy. If you want to insert any column and row here, just press Ctrl Shift and press plus button. Look at that, or is equal to button, and select your entire row and hit enter. That's it. And if you want to delete, just press Ctrl minus and entire row. Select your deleting row. Select the row and press enter. That's it. So to insert the column or row, just press Ctrl Shift plus and select row here and hit enter. And for delete, press Ctrl minus and select row or column and press enter. That's it. Boom. Yeah. So the next is how to insert. Yeah, this is important thing. How to insert a new worksheet in Excel. So press Alt Shift F1. That's it. Okay, here you can see the second worksheet is open now. Yeah. To insert a new worksheet, hold Alt Shift F1. That's it. Okay, right. Okay, now come move now. So to delete the worksheet, yeah, if you want to delete any worksheet, just open the worksheet, go to worksheet and hold Alt key and press EL. That's it. The sheet is deleted now. So hold the Alt key and press EL to delete the sheet. Okay. Okay. Next is how to insert the symbol. Yeah. Hold Alt key and press IS. That's it. You can insert any symbol from here. That's it. Press enter. So Alt IS to insert a symbol. Okay. How to check spelling mistake? Yeah, I'll show you the easy way. So just press keep the cursor on your text and press F7, and here you can see the spelling box will appear and you can choose any spell from here. That's it. So F7 to check the spelling, and to calculate or product sum or whatever. So if you want to calculate this like 13 into 20, so just press is equal to button and move your cursor on the cell and press your sign like product sign and move your cursor here and hit enter. That's it. It's simple, don't be confused. Just press is equal to button, move your cursor here and press your product sign and move to next sign, next cell and press enter. So like this you can do sum. For sum plus use the plus sign or sum sign, and that's it. It's simple. Yeah. Okay, so next is how to select entire column and row. So yeah, you can select it. So just press Ctrl Shift page down to select all your column. Look at that. Ctrl Shift down arrow key. Look at that, you have selected column. So Control Shift down arrow key to select your column, and Control Shift left arrow key to select your entire row or cell. Okay. it's now common key is now coming on, like font size. If you want to change font size, press Control Shift P, and after this just press Alt S, and you can type your font size, and then boom. So Control Shift P for font size and Control Shift F for font style. Just press tab here. When you press Control Shift F, just press tab and type your font style name and enter. Press enter. That's it. Okay. And how to link your formula to next sheet. So for example, I am in the first sheet, and just press here is equal to, and then press Control page down or page up to move to next sheet, and here use the arrow keys, then up arrow keys, and hit enter. That's it. So here you can see the formula is added now. You can see here. So don't be confused. To add any worksheet or link the formula into one worksheet to another worksheet, just press is equal to button and use page down or page up to move to next sheet, and move your cursor by arrow keys and hit enter. That's it. Yeah. Okay. So next is how to move next and previous sheet. Yeah, as I showed, Control page up to move previous sheet and Control page down to move next sheet. So page up, Control page up for previous sheet and page down to next sheet. Yeah, Control page up and page down to move to sheet in between. Okay. And the next is how to add column and row. Yeah. So if you want to add any row or column, just press Control 9. Look at that. It's add now. To bring back or unadd, press Control Shift 9. Look at that. Control Shift 9 to add and Control Shift F9 to unadd. So if you want to add the column, just press Control 0. Look at that. The column is add now. To unadd, press Control Shift 0. Sometime it will not work, as you can see. If not work, just use the mouse key. Okay. So Control Shift 0 to unadd column. Okay. So yeah, it's basic keys coming now, like Control B to bold. And okay, one more thing important. Yeah. So if you have prepared any column here, any formula like a 20 and 20 and like this, and if you are going to make this calculation, or if you want to apply the same formula to next cells, so just select here like this and press Control D. Look at that, all thing is applied now. Look at that. Yeah, it's a very useful key. So if you want to apply any formula or any text to your other cells or other column, just select like this and press Control D. That's it, the formula will apply to all cells. Okay. So what is next? Find and replace. Yeah, you can use Control H to find and replace, and to make it italic, use Control I. Yeah. Okay. To create a new document, press Control N. That's it. Simple. Whew. Okay, sit tight and be relaxed. I'm finishing my video very soon. Okay, don't be bored. So Control O to open the file like this, and Control S for save. These are basic keys. Okay, don't mind. And Control U for underline. Okay. So if you want to edit your cell, yeah, if you want to edit your cell, just press F2 and you can edit here. Look at that. Okay. And if you want to go to particular or specific column or cell number, like H7, so H7, just press F5 and here type H6. Okay, look at that, it's now in H6 column. So to go to a specific cell, just press F5 and type your okay, F2 like this, and it will move here. Okay, fine. Okay, one more important thing. Yeah, if you are typing here like any text, if you want to type in next line, when you press the enter key, it will move to next cell. Yeah. If you want to type in the next line, just hold alt key and press enter. Look at that, and you can type in that line. Hold alt key and press enter, and you will type into next line. Okay, fine. So okay, if you want to open format cell window, so don't use the mouse, just press Ctrl 1, your format cell will open. So use Ctrl 1 and your format cell will open. Okay. Okay, if you want to add 00 here, what we normally do here, just keep the cursor here and you will take like this 00. So don't do this. I will show you the shortcut key. Press Ctrl Shift and press 1. Yeah, Ctrl Shift, press 1. That's it. Simple. Okay, if you want to add your default currency to any your value, just press Ctrl Shift 4. Look at that. The value is added. Ctrl Shift 4. Okay. Okay, print preview. Yeah, it's normal. If you know, is just Ctrl F2 to page preview. Escape to remove this. Okay. So if you want to show and hide your ribbon or menu box, just press Ctrl F1. Sorry, Ctrl F1. Look at that. Now you can show and hide your ribbon or menu. So Ctrl H for find and replace. Yeah, Ctrl H for find. Ctrl H for find and replace. Okay. Okay, one more thing important. If you want to move to end of your data, like end column or cell, just hold your column into enter cell and press Control arrow keys for left, Control left arrow key for right, right arrow key for home, Control up arrow key for down, Control down arrow key. So to end of, if you want to go to your data region end, just Control arrow keys, just press hold the Control and use the arrow keys to move exactly end of your data like this. Look at that. Okay, so use the Control arrow keys to move your data end regions. Okay. Okay, if you want to open insert function box, press Shift F3. Look at that. You can, this is a function box open now. Okay, so now it's tab. Yeah, so we use tab to move next cell, and what if you want to move in previous cell, just press Shift tab and you will be in previous. So use tab only to move next, and for previous hold Shift and press tab. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I'm finishing. Control is equal to control, like what is say, semicolon. Press Control and hold Control and press semicolon to insert the date. Yeah, it is the current date, and Control Shift semicolon to insert the time. Okay, so Control semicolon to insert the date, and Control Shift insert the time. That's it for today, and I hope you get some new shortcut key from this video. And in my next video, I will try to show you more shortcut key. If you have favorite shortcut key, you can share in comments. Yeah, if you have new shortcut key, you can include in comments area. So thank for watching. I hope you to help you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, one more thing. Before I go to more, tell me one thing. If you got any pronunciation mistake, or if you got any key mistakes here, I have given a link in the video description. So from there you can get all this key to my website. So I have given a link in the video description. So click this link and you will get the keys. So thanks once again. See you in next video.